What's up mga kanaisers? You're watching this video dahil interested kayong mag-travel dito sa Thailand, and if you want to travel on a budget, then you are watching the right video. Today, I will be sharing practical and budget-friendly tips about Thailand and specifically dito sa Bangkok. These are based on my personal experience kaya siguradong proven and tested na ang mga tips na ito. Let's talk about food for today. I will also tell you the average price of these foods para prepared kayo sa expenses ninyo. Lahat ng Thai mahilig sa spicy food. I've lived here for more than 15 years and na-develop ko na din yung taste buds ko for spicy food. At first, I wasn't confident, I wasn't comfortable, pero over time, the more I eat, the more I realize na mas masarap ang Thai food kapag merong at least konting anghang. Later on, I was comfortable with spicy food. Kaya, I know what I'm talking about. If you want to eat foods that are not spicy, I will also recommend foods for you. First, let's talk about my personal favorites. Kapaw Mu Krop, rice and ulam set that tastes so good lalo na kapag merong sili. Pair it up with a cold drink and siguradong busog na busog ka. Price range, 50 to 70 baht lamang, and spicy level recommended is moderate. Another one of my favorites is khao soi or Northern Thai curry noodles. Nagugutom ako habang iniisip ko pa lang. Sobrang creamy and usually may dalawang klase ng noodles ang nilalagay ng mga Thai. Merong chicken, merong beef, merong pork, and depende sa option nyo, the price varies. Okay, 70 to 100 baht, spicy level moderate. Last favorite, somtam or papaya salad. Pwede siyang kainin by itself or kainin kasama ng sticky rice. Usual halo ng somtam are shrimp, crab, papaya, beans, some peanuts, coconut sugar. Price range, 40 to 80 baht, and the spicy level, it's up to you. You can also say not spicy or no chili at all. Now here are my recommendations for non-spicy food para sa mga tourists. Pad Thai or stir-fried noodles. This is usually with shrimp and peanuts, so if you are allergic, please be careful. Price range is about 40 to 70 baht. Sobrang affordable. Khao Pat Mu or fried rice with pork. You can also substitute pork with chicken or seafood. It's very common in Thailand. The twist is they put lime to further enhance the flavor, and you can try it on your own. It's very affordable for the price of 40 to 60 baht lamang. Tom Yum, a very popular sour soup in Thailand. There are varieties na walang spicy or walang chili na halo, pero it's good to try it ng may konting anghang. You can request it sa restaurant na kakainan ninyo. The price will usually vary depende sa halo. Merong seafood, merong chicken, meron iba na pork. 60 to 150 baht, it's up to you. Tom Kakay, parang tom yum lang din siya, pero ito ay may halo na gata. It is with chicken only, and napakabango nito, napaka-fragrant ng amoy, and of course, napakasarap. For the price of 40 to 60 baht lamang, mai-enjoy nyo ang variety ng tom yum na napakasarap. Panang curry, or pronounced in Thai, panang. I tried different varieties of this, my pork, my beef, pero beef is, super good. It's better than pork. Medyo uncommon lang siya, mahirap hanapin, pero sulit na sulit. Masarap gawing ulam, and for sure, mapapakain kayo ng maraming rice nito. Price range is 40 to 60 baht without rice. Keng Tepo or Kepo in short. This is sour food na maraming kangkong. Personally, mas gusto ko itong kainin kapag mas maasim. Pair it up with rice or not, it's up to you. Masarap, mura, at super malasa. Price range, 40 to 60 baht without rice. Muping or barbecued pork. This is one of the most popular foods in Thailand that can be eaten as snacks. Eat it with sticky rice or as they call it, khao niao, para maging complete ang meal mo. Price per stick is 10 to 15 baht lamang. Bami Nam or yellow noodle soup. This is very popular in Thailand at makikita mo ang mga stalls nito outside 7-Eleven. You can substitute the noodles for clear rice noodles if available, but you have to point it if hindi mo kayang sabihin. Price range, 40 to 60 baht lamang. Last but not least, hoi tot or stir-fried mussels. Ibang translation sa English pero hoi tot na lang sabihin nyo. Usually kapag may nagbebenta ng pad thai, meron din ito. Price range, 60 to 90 baht. I could talk more about Thai food pero I prioritize food na pwede nyong kainin even as a solo traveler. These foods are also the ones na pwede mong kainin ng hindi spicy. If you want to know more about Thailand, watch my other videos. If you are still undecided to go, take this as a sign na pumunta na dito. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. See you next time. Peace!